Welcome to my channel, Vibrant Soul Crafts, where we express our creative imagination.
got a different view 여유롭게 달려와 내일은 더 빛나지 당연 yeah. 내 삶은 shine like a diamond 괜히 해서 뭐해 걱정 I got no worries no I got no worries no I got no worries no I'm shining like a diamond yeah. got different view 여유롭게
Hello everyone, I am Vibrant Expressions and welcome back to my channel, Vibrant Soul Crafts. Thank you so much for being with me here today as I get into this video, Bargain Bead Box February 2023 edition, guys. I'll be right back. So in this video today, I am going to show you what I did create for the February Bargain Bead Box. And I am excited to show you. However, I do acknowledge and must acknowledge that this is, I know, February's, not March, February. And I'm still going to show you guys what I presented. All right, also before I show you, I do want to let you guys know that there will be changes on this channel, changes that I really had to look within myself and acknowledge and realize that needs to be done in order for me to move forward. So in my next video, I'll be getting into that with you all. All right, so I am back and this is what I've created with the Bargain Bead Box February 2023. First, I'll start. I made 4 pieces, you guys. At the end of this video, I will insert maybe a video clip or either photos of me showing my jewelry, wearing my jewelry. Okay, but for now, I am going to wear the ring, which would be first up. I made this beautiful, fun to make ring, y'all. Oh, and with this ring or either any other piece that's on this table that I made, if you guys want a tutorial, a specific tutorial on any of these pieces, please let me know in the description, in the comments below, guys, all right? Let me know, y'all. So first up is this ring. It is an adjustable ring, okay? And this is how it came out, y'all. All right. And if you guys request a tutorial, within that tutorial, I will get into details of the items that I used. All right, so that's the dragonfly ring. I love this ring, y'all. I'm so serious. It was like really a pleasure and a joy to make. Okay, so that's the ring. Next up are these lovely earrings, okay? There we have the earrings. Okay. Then we have this beautiful necklace, choker necklace, y'all. And guys, yes, I do love this amethyst pendant. I really like amethyst. Anyway, just amethyst on its own. I do have a lot of amethyst crystals that I have, and they are just lovely. Okay, so that's the choker, and then I have this lovely dragonfly bracelet. Okay, dragonfly charm bracelet. Okay, and most of these elements that I used in all of these creations Most of them do come from the Bargain Bead Box February edition. However, I did choose to use a couple of elements of my own, from my own stash. Okay, and again, during the tutorial, if requested, I will get into the elements that I use from Bargain Bead Box and from my own personal stash. So this is it, y'all. This is the items that I created. This beautiful, fun, gorgeous ring. Okay. The ring, the earrings, choker necklace, and bracelet. All right, guys. It was a pleasure showing you all what I've created. I know we are in the month of March, but however, in my next video, I will definitely get into further details of the changes that's coming up to this channel and changes that I'm so forward to looking to. All right, y'all. So I'm going to give y'all a video showcasing my jewelry. So let's start off, y'all, with the bracelet. This bracelet, guys, oh my goodness, this purple, this faceted purple is popping purple, y'all. All right, that's the dragonfly bracelet, y'all. It was so much fun making, guys. I'm just excited and overjoyed to really be able to share my my excitement with you guys. You know, is this whole thing that I'm doing is just exciting, you know, and to share it with y'all. So if that's why, I don't know, yeah, you know, some people might find me a little extra or over the top with my excitement, but it's because this is healing to my soul, guys. This is really healing to my soul, and I'm just sharing my joy and excitement, y'all. So that's the bracelet. All right, this is the necklace. The necklace, y'all. Okay. The ring. Ta-da! Dragonfly ring. 360 on you. All right, there we go. And what else? Oh, earrings. All right, that concludes the video showcase. All right, guys, till next time. Stay encouraged, stay inspired, stay creative. No matter what you're going through all situations, guys. All right, stay positive. Till next time, guys. Bye.